Here comes Zachary.
Yeah. There goes the Bubba.
Hey, where did you get this?
That was an old Christmas present.
You want to get in there with the Bubba?
Whoa. Hey, Molly.
What? You like it?
Yes.
You think it's got enough air? You want to get in?
Come on, baby.
Go on. Crawl in there. Crawl in there. Go on.
Okay, you
help?
don't have to. She wasn't wanting any help. Look, there's a Bubba. Merry Christmas. In February.
Go on. She just doesn't know what to do with her arms. There you go. Go, Booga, go.
Mommy.
Go, Kenna, go.
Mommy. Mommy.
She doesn't want to be pushed in.
There you go.
Mommy.
You need help? Say help.